combination of the first name of the student and the admission number. And the second option is the combination of the first letter of the first name and the first letter of the second name with the admission number. So either of these can be used professionally in a school environment to avoid duplication of student email addresses in a long run. But I'll show you how to make this happen. You have student details in an Excel sheet. Imagine you have student details in an Excel sheet, and they have you have the name of the student, the combined first name and second name, and the admission number in the next column. So what you need to do is you need to split the first name and the second name into two different columns. You don't have to do that because I have shown you already in the video where we made the email IDs for teachers. Refer that video if you have if you need to know how to do that. Refer that video first. So I have split. We have split the first name and second name, and then I have added the at and here the domain name here in two different columns. Right now we have all the elements for the fully qualified domain name like this. Okay, so here what I need to do is I need to combine the elements. Here I'm going to use the same formula like last time. Concatenate, open parenthesis. So the first name, select the first name, comma, the admission number, comma, at, comma, yourschool.com, then close the parenthesis. Here we go. We have the email address ready. So what you need to just do is just select the entire thing and drag it to the bottom. So the email address for 100 students or 20 students in a class or 1,000 students in a school is ready in just 4 or 5 minutes. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I will show you how to create an email ID like this, where we have the first name of the first letter and first name of the second, first letter of the first name and first letter of the second name combined with the admission number. So like last time, we have the name here and the admission number, and we have split the first name and the second name. So what you need to do is you need to extract the first letter from the second name. So here I'm going to use the formula left. Select the column where you have the second name and press tab. So you got the second name extracted, and then combine the elements using the formula concatenate. So here we go. So the first name, comma, the first letter of the second name, comma, at, comma, your domain. Then close the parenthesis tab. Here we go. And then, if you want, you can use this lower function as well to bring everything to lowercase. As simple as that. So just drag it to the bottom. So here we go. We have the email IDs for all students in this format. So thank you so much for watching this video, and use this kind of techniques to improve your Excel skills, also to make email IDs for such a huge number of students. Thank you.